Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack again in the General Shedrack Sibia and how he went on about no, mina, umama uyagula, khona manje. Like, that's playing victim. It's like, oh my gosh, Uncle Sam, no. Someone even said now in comments, listen, Mdala Umawake, he must just leave us alone. Firstly, he must tell us what he did when he got to Sanzomewa's house. You understand? Njengoba kudume ukuthi wathi clean, nciman. And epusha uMakhubo to do his job for him. That is why uGininda benza umsebenzi wakhe. That is why we are where we are. Can we deal with that first? Before. Because Sanzomewa nisekhale kangakanani. Say umuntu akasekele ngomama wakhe busy playing victim. I was just like, this guy is actually very petty. Yo, he's very petty. Oh my gosh, the way he was going on. They must fire me. They are pushing me. They are distracting me. Guys, no one is distracting you. Where were you when NIU came to your house at 3 o'clock in the morning? You were somewhere else. You were still busy with your underground people. And someone was even asking, is he the big five? He is. That's just my thing. He is the big five. Like, what's going on with this cartel? There's subs. There's people. Yes, you won't believe it. You'll be like, what? You'll be shocked. But I think maybe he'll be like number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. But he's top 5 for sure. Subs, the smaller fishes, the smaller fish. The smaller fish is there. He's a big fish. He's the one who's been enabling these people to be where we are now. And then man just say he's playing victim. Oh my gosh, my mom is sick. How can you guys be like this to me? Please, my colleagues have turned on me. Guys, no one turned on this guy. And also, I just feel like this morning, his arrest is actually overdue. And you know how he was going on? I don't know if you heard, where he was basically saying, in any case on that laptop, there's nothing on the laptop. Obviously, there's nothing. You've been preparing yourself. Even this phone, I'm sure you took it 3 weeks ago. He has been preparing. He's just like, oh my gosh, he's like that. He's still going on like that. I'm untouchable. So what? What are you going to do? I'm still a top cop, I'm happening. Guys, these people, they must just be arrested. Inside the court, for lying about these 5 guys. Yeah, but Fisokuhle does come out or come off as someone of a right. We know that. He has 3 life sentences and he got bail at some stage. And in Philip is involved in that also. He got bail at some stage, he was out, and then he did other things. But he never deleted Sanzomewa. Can we just clear that out first and move on with our lives? We can't just be fooled by people. We are slow coaches, it's slow, like we can't see. We see right through these people. Umasamula did well. Just as much as it is, no, it's distracting me. I went to Matlanga. Now he's at our talk. Now he's busy abusing me. Please, he must just leave me alone. My mom is sick. Guys, please. Can we not? Go on. Why are we going on like that now? And there was this one journalist who was busy. Oh yeah, they came at 3 o'clock in the morning. How was it? They traumatized the family. They traumatized your mom. Please. Why? Like, honestly. How many things have you done to so many families? Why did you go to Makumalo's house? At Kelly's house there? Why were you there? If you can't even pick up your phone and phone Umagalo. Did you hear what General Mkhonazi said? Why he joined the police force? This is why he is who he is. And you know what we are banning? These people they have messed up our country. Right through our noses, we didn't even see. We're just like, oh my gosh, go by general, how does it take to be a national commissioner? Like I said, guys, last month, what are our children learning from these people? I'm saying about these are these people, like General Mkhonazi. What are they learning? No, guys, General Mkhonazi actually did help us to see other things. How are we gonna see them? We could see there's something that's going on, but I mean, we couldn't pinpoint and be like, okay, nanga. Sifuna big five nje manje. They must just be mentioned so that sizokwazi ukuthi okay ke o Matlala ke they are sub. They are the babies of the big five. Ngoba phela i big five iyazala izingane ezibolile, basically rotten children. Okay, guys, you can't be controlled by people in our country. Abanye baphizi bayasitshela ukuthi no, foreigners must stay. Like bahlale kubo kaba. Kubo kaba like I said, kwangibona eRwanda. Mina the cleanest African country. Kwangibona khona. Ngimile nje emgwaqeni ngidayisa ngeke. It will never happen. Ngeke usuke kini eNigeria amafama kini in some village engingayazi emnyama and come here uzoma la eGoli uzodayisa and then go crazy on us when maybe kususa, please. And as you can see, he's been doing this for years, investigating people. The fact that Ubakipo on himself, Ubakipo Jacob Zuma, we also know good is also rotten to the core. Why must we enable people and protect them just because they be when they have their skeletons? And I said, in on closet, is a lava, Zingapans fantastic, like how Umkonazi has been digging. No, Singapella abantu. Singaphela abantu nje ababoshwe guys. Can we not trust in people? So besithi iswaza kakho susumele nayo abafakoza nkosi abantu and stay in jail like other people. Like I said, do you think it's about money? Why accuse about 5 besejele bengenzanga next? Imali. Ngoba bakwazi ukukhipha imali banikeza usibe. So cima and clean everything there. And makhomalazi no. Ngeke. How unfair is that? So many families, guys. I've always said with so many families, it's 5 times 1,000. So many families, when you're busy, every day, for sec. You understand? Who can live a life like that? Oh, please, lawyer, well, we messed up my dad's life. So you should accuse number 4. Go back accuse number 4, as it is now. Is that fair? They lost their parents, those people. Zihlala nosiswakhe la deep clove. Naye ohleze sabeli life yakhe othi nansi girlfriend top is always following me, and to a point where I've moved I don't know how many times. No one wants to live like that because of lies. Hi guys, it's not fair.